Should you use sheets or blocks of watercolor paper? I'm Jess Rice. I'm an art teacher, and beginners are my specialty. Watercolor paper comes in a couple different variations. You can buy it in sheets, large sheets, or you can buy it in a block. The sheets are what I use in my home studio. They come in several different sizes, 22 by 30 or 16 by 20s. There's also different textures in watercolor paper. Artist blocks come in all sorts of different grades, sizes, and textures. From very large sheets, you can get a full 22 by 30 inch block, down to very small little travel card sizes. I use blocks when I travel and I'm painting on site. The blocks come in 20 sheets per block. And the nice feature about blocks is that they're glued on all four sides. So they stay nice and flat when you're painting on them. You can wet this whole area, your paper won't buckle, it'll stay nice and flat. Once you're done painting this painting, you just slip a knife into this little opening, run it all around, lift that sheet off, and you're ready with a new fresh sheet that's all secured and tightly bound on all four sides. Nice thing about the blocks as well, they have a nice cover on them that protects your watercolors, when your watercolor paper when you're putting it in your backpack or your suitcase. There's all sorts of different manufacturers that make the blocks. I prefer the arches. That's what I'm used to painting on. So I know what's going to happen as soon as I wet it and I lay my paper down, I know the results I'm going to get. If you come to one of my classes and you have a block with you, you can use it just as well as you can with a sheet of paper. It works well outside while you're painting on location or in the classroom as well. You can use blocks or sheets. You can choose either one. Blocks work better for traveling.